Welcome, you are listening to Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. India recorded 53,370 fresh COVID-19 cases and 650 more deaths from the virus in the past 24 hours, the Union Health Ministry said on Saturday. With the new additions, the total number of cases in the second most infected country surged to 78,14,682, while the death toll reached 1,17,956. On the brighter side, the active cases are below 7 lakh and counted at 6,80,680, which comprises 8.71% of the total caseload. The fatality rate stands at 1.51%, while recovery at 89.78%. According to the Indian Council of Medical Research, as many as 10 crore 13,82,564 samples were tested in the past 24 hours. Hitting out at a Congress over a case of rape and murder of a 6-year-old in the Hoshiarpur district of Punjab, the ruling BJP on Saturday asked Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra why had they not paid a visit to the family of the victim yet. Making a scathing attack on opposition leaders, Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar said that they don't pay heed to injustice done to the women in the states ruled by their own party. The incident of rape and murder of a 6-year-old Dalit girl from Bihar in Hoshiarpur's Tanda village is very shocking. We demand strict action against culprit. Instead of going on political tours, Rahul Gandhi should visit Tanda and Rajasthan to take cognizance of incidents of crime against women, Mr. Javadekar said. 7 mainstream parties of Jammu and Kashmir on Saturday gave a formal shape to their recently carved alliance for the restoration of Article 370, electing National Conference Farooq Abdullah as its chairman and PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti as a vice chairperson, and asserted that there was not an anti-national grouping. Veteran CPM leader M.Y. Tarigami was elected as the governor, while Lok Sabha member from South Kashmir Hasnain Masudi would be the coordinator of conglomerate known as People Alliance of Gupkar Declaration. Sajid Ghani Lone of People's Conference would be the spokesman for the amalgam. After a meeting held at Mehbooba's house, Abdullah, who turned 84 earlier this week, said the alliance is fighting for the restoration of special status to Jammu and Kashmir and is an anti-BJP platform, not an anti-national amalgam. I want to tell you that this is a false propaganda by the BJP that the PAGD is anti-national. I want to tell them that this is not true. There is no doubt that it is anti-BJP, but it is not anti-national, he told the reporters. Abdullah alleged that BJP has tried to break the federal structure through acts like abrogation of Article 370 and dividing Jammu and Kashmir into 2 union territories. The last date for filing income tax return for FY 2019-20 has been extended to December 31, 2020, the most individual taxpayer from the earlier deadline of November 30, 2020. This is the second time the deadline for FY 20 has been extended. A government press release issued on Saturday said it has been decided to further extend the due date for furnishing of income tax return to provide more time to taxpayers. This due date for furnishing of income tax return for individual taxpayer has been extended to 31st December 2020. The due date for furnishing of income tax return for the taxpayer who are required to get their accounts audited has also been extended to December 31, 2020. The due date for furnishing of income tax return for the taxpayer who are required to furnish reports in respect of international specific domestic transaction has been extended to 31st January 2021. Consequently, the date for furnishing of various audit reports under the Act, including tax audit reports and report in respect of international specified domestic transaction, has also been extended to 31st December 2020, said the release. Further relief is provided to small and middle-class taxpayer in the matter of payment of self-assessment tax. The due date for payment of self-assessment tax date is hereby again being extended. That is all for today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.